So, Softwash Pro 50, you're on the Softwash Pro 50 page, which is a great product if you're looking for a biocide, a slow clean biocide for your surfaces, okay? There are limitations to it, and I'll go into those in details, but ultimately it's a really good product. Softwash Pro 50 is registered with the Health and Safety Executive as a biocide, okay? So what this is really good for is slow cleans, okay? So if you're not looking for instant results, but you want a one-coat application, and then Mother Nature will rinse the building down, whether it's a patio, a render, a roof, over a period of time. And typically you'll see within 3 weeks a difference in colour change. Over 3 months you'll see a considerable clean, and then over 6 to 12 months it will be completely clean. Okay, and it's pH neutral, so it doesn't affect any surface that it can go on. It will just kill all the organic contamination, and then Mother Nature does the rest. Okay, it does also have some residual power, particularly on a porous surface that's not going to be washed away through Mother Nature. So typically a render clean where it's brushed in, there will be residual protection there from this chemical. Okay, so if I give you a limitation of what it can't do, if you've got black staining on render, it's not suitable for that. You'd need to use a sodium hypochlorite based solution. Okay, but if it's got red, green, algae, even moss, it's perfect to be able to end that and let that then erode away through Mother Nature. Okay, if you've got particularly moss, you might want to scrape the majority of that off and then apply this to the roof, and as a result of that it will kill the moss, but it's not actually sold as a moss killer. Okay, so that makes that clear. Yeah, it will basically go an awful long way. It will also remove the black staining on roofs given 3 to 6 to 12 months. Okay, and also black staining, that's pretty much it on the black staining side. Roofs is the only real thing that it will get rid of, but you can maintain the performance of any cleans using this product as well. Okay, so let's say you've done a clean with sodium hypochlorite, got it clean, then this is a great product to then apply every 1 or 2 years and maintain that performance of the clean. So how much will this go? Well, a lot of people think, oh, it's quite expensive. The reality is it's super concentrated. So the difference here, a lot compared to a lot of products, is it has a 50% concentration. Now, for instance, Wet and Forget and Patio Magic, they're pretty much diluted down for domestic use, and they're like 1:3 ratios, and they doesn't go very far at all. 50% concentration on a maintenance clean, you can get away with a 1:50 ratio. That's 1 part Softwash Pro 50 to 50 parts water. Yeah, I mean, that's incredible, really, when you think about it. So that's for maintenance clean. So that would basically, if you had 5 litres of Softwash Pro 50, you'd dilute it down by 50 times. That would give you 250 litres of Softwash recipe. 1 coat application, that would cover 1,000 square meters. So you can see it's very cost effective. The alternative to that is to do a stronger recipe, 1:25, which would be for first time initial cleans, heavy organic contamination. So for instance, a roof clean, a block paved driveway, something that needs some real assistance, a tennis court, for instance, or some astroturf that's been left for a while. So you do a 1:25 ratio for that, which 5 litres would make you 125 litres of soft wash, and then that would cover 500 square meters at 1 litre per 4 square meters. That's basically the ratio, and these are a 1 coat application. You don't need to do 2 coats. You just basically apply it and let it settle. After 4 hours it's pretty much done what it's going to do, and then the rest is left to Mother Nature. And what happens is Mother Nature erodes away the dead material and it self-cleans. Now, there is some residual values within Softwash Pro 50, but only on specific surfaces. So, for instance, if it's a porous surface and Mother Nature can't rinse the chemical away effectively, then there is residual value there. So, for instance, render, it's quite porous, and if you agitate and push the chemical in, it will actually stay there and cause an uncomfortable environment for any recolonization. So there's a really good example. Also, covered areas that are porous, so block paving or wet pour, if it's got a covered area, then these are going to keep working there. Okay, but if Mother Nature can rinse it off with rain, sun, wind, etc., there's no residual value there at all once it's done its thing. So bear that in mind, and any manufacturer that tells you any different is basically misleading you. Okay, this is fact and not fiction. So all in all, it's a great product. You have to wear all the normal personal protective equipment to apply this. So if you need any guidance or instruction on how, all the details are in the listing below. But if you want to reach out to us and ask us any questions as well, then contact us through our contact page, and we'll gladly reply back to you with any support that you require. All right, so I hope that helps. So yeah, thank you so much for checking this product out, and hopefully see you soon. Cheers. Bye bye.